Hello friends and welcome to once again on my YouTube channel डेली न्यूज़पेपर रीडिंग सेशन। तो चलिए हम लोग स्टार्ट करते हैं न्यूज़पेपर का एक आर्टिकल। पीएम कॉल्स फॉर ईयर राउंड टूरिज्म इन उत्तराखंड, नो ऑफ सीजन। Prime Minister Narendra Modi Thursday said that tourism should be a year-round activity in Uttarakhand and that the state should have no off-season. The Prime Minister was participating in a program to push winter tourism and flagged off a rake and bike rally at Haris in Uttarkasi district. Addressing a gathering, he also condoled the recent death of 8 workers in the February 28 avalanche in Chamoli district's Mana village. During the trip, Modi also visited the winter seat of Gangotri Dham in Mukhwa. Modi said, Uttarakhand provides opportunity for visitors to recharge and re-energize through yoga and Ayurveda. He also appealed to universities, private schools and colleges to consider Uttarakhand for students' winter trips. He urged people to consider the state also as a destination for winter weddings. There has been a concentrated efforts by the government to open the state up for tourism throughout the year. Currently, Uttarakhand gets its major influx of tourists from April to November, largely attributed to the Char Dham pilgrimage. Modi pointed out that the number of tourists dropped drastically afterwards, leaving hostel, resorts, and home stay vacant in winters, leading to economic stagnation for a large part of the year. The land of Uttarakhand, known as Devbhumi, is imbued with spiritual energy and is blessed by the Char Dham and countless other sacred sites. Modi said, visiting Kedarnath in 2022, the PM had said that this would be the decade of Uttarakhand. Winter tourism is a significant step di- in this direction, aiding in harnessing Uttarakhand's economic potential. He said, visiting Uttarakhand during winter offers a true glimpse of the divine aura of Devbhumi. PM Modi said, pointing out that many sacred sites in the state host unique ritual during this time. There, the religious ceremony in Mukhwa village are inter- integral part of the region's ancient and remarkable traditions. He said, year-round tourism will provide people with opportunity to connect with divine experiences and employment opportunity, benefiting the local population and the youth. Listing out projects that the center and state government are working on for the development of Uttarakhand. The PM mentioned the Char Dham highway and the expansion of rail, airline and helicopter service in the state. He also said the Union Cabinet on Wednesday approved the Kedarnath Highway project and the Hemkund Ropeway project. on the long-standing issue of migration out of hills village. Modi said, empties out villages like Jahdung are being revamped.